Okay, we're going to do the unboxing of the Champion Power Equipment 40cc 2-stroke 60-inch chainsaw, gas chainsaw, low kickback, front and hand guard chain brake, anti-vibrations, Champion 40cc 2-stroke 16 inches, auto bar oiling system. In the box is the chainsaw, the blade sheath, multi-tool, and 2-stroke engine oil. So open her up. Your instruction manual. Do not return to the company stuff or store it. A whack of cardboard holding it all in there. There's our bottle of engine oil here, 40-to-1 mix. And our little multi-tool that they send with us to take out the spark plug and adjust things. A couple other little papers that were attached to the chainsaw. And here's the chainsaw itself. And slide it over the box. Go to the bag. Over there. And turn around this way because this is solid gas and everything's on. They got a ribbon on the thing and the sheaths. We'll cut that off. We can get that off of there. That's what the chain is. Nice looking chain on it. Double guard 91. Low kickback, like I said. Seems pretty durable. Front chain guard, unlock and lock. Gas side and the oil. Already pre-mixed the gas. I can just top her up with some gas. Chain oil. I already got that one still pretty full. Yes, I did test this last night to make sure it was working. Choke down here on the side. Pull out to click. And pull to start. Okay, I'm going to put it down on the floor, start it, and I'll show you. Good little chainsaw. Kill switch right there. Kill switch. There. There she is. Champion 40cc 2-stroke chainsaw. She starts, she runs. That's it. 40cc Champion. Really good chainsaw. I like it so far. That's the review on the 40cc chainsaw. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.